Good wishes, dear students. Now in our part 5, we will understand all three types of money in which I have told you in part 4. Now, in types of money, we have gone through commodity money, fiat money and bank money. What is commodity money? Goods whose value serves as the value of money, that is commodity money, means the denomination of a money is equal to its real value. Here, like example is gold and silver coins. Now in older times, gold coins and silver coins were there. Their real value was equal to its face value. But nowadays, these are not in practice because people could utilize those gold and silver coins in various other things, and hence government cannot implement this as a medium of exchange, because whatever they will produce, might be it could happen that some people could utilize it into some other form. So government will lose their currency. Now second is fiat money. Fiat money is goods whose value represents less than the value of money. This is the most important thing, because nowadays all monies which are in practices are fiat money, because their value is less than the value of money, like coins and currency notes. You have seen 10 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, 500 rupees notes, not 2000 rupees notes, but their real value is not same as their face value, because 2000 rupees notes, they are also printed on a piece of paper only, which is a special paper, but their value is representing less than the value of money. Okay, so coins and currency notes are fiat money. Third is bank money. It is the money that consists of the book credit that bank extend to their depositors. Examples are checks and credit cards. Now this bank money could also be called as electronic money, because that are not real money. They are only engraved into numbers and they are deposited in your account. Depositors deposit money in the bank, and bank put it or pass it into their passbooks, that is in the form of electronically. Whenever we are purchasing anything and when we are doing electronic fund transfer, we are not giving the original money, but only we are transferring our currencies in the form of digital. Okay, so that is also in a great practice nowadays. So this is also known as bank money. So all these were three types of money. Now characteristics of money we will study in our part 6. Okay students, thank you.